Bam! What's up guys? Today I'm showing toy bow arrow and a special shotgun and some equipment. So let's begin the show. First of all guys, I can show you this toy shotgun. This is yellow black yellow color combination toy. What? Toy shotgun. Okay.
Oh yeah.
This is black and yellow color combination toy shotgun. Wow. Okay. This is the plastic body. Plastic. This is the trigger. Okay guys. The muzzle area, the bezel area. Wow, amazing. Wow, wow, wow. See? And guys, look like this is nice. And how is what? Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Wow, what a quality sound, qualityful sound it had. Nice, nice guys. Then guys, I can show you some toy bullet. Ten, ten, ten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, nice. Nice, let's see. This is different packet of different color. Wow. Then guys, I can show you this toy pot, toy arrow pot. Then guys, I can show you this tree arrow.
Oh yeah.
See guys, 2 is pink, navy blue,
Oh yeah.
2 is sky blue, green, 2 is red, and 2 is green and 1 red. See, nice bow. Guys, see another arrow pot. Wow, this is another arrow pot. This is a green color arrow pot. Okay guys, see, this is nice. Let's look at this. See, wow, mini arrow. See guys, wow, amazing. Then let us show you this toy bow. Okay guys, see, red color. Wow. Deep blue. Rope. This is a rope. Then guys, I can show you another toy bow. See,
Oh yeah.
pink color, pink color. This is what? Parrot green color, and this is a yellow color. See, and how this bow work? First of all, I need a arrow. Okay, see, this is the arrow. And okay. Wow. Turn and shoot. Wow, nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye always.